This is a Vox-based amp plug, and I'm going to show you how to use it. And although this nifty little contraption comes with instructions, they are discreetly hiding in the packaging. So in case you've thrown the packaging, you've thrown the instructions as well. In which case, this video is for you. The first thing that you should know is that the port on top that says aux is not meant for your headphones. The one on the side is. The port on top can be used for your computer. It comes with 3 dials: volume, tone, and then the volume and tempo of the rhythm tracks built into the machine. You can turn it on by pressing the switch on the side for a few seconds. When it comes to the plug itself, don't try and pull it upwards. It moves sideways. It can move an entire 180 degrees. And I'm going to show you how to plug it into your bass. This is a great tool if you want to practice without bothering anyone. And this is how you put it in. Now let's talk about gain control. So use the power switch. Green means light gain, orange means medium gain, and red means high gain. You just have to click the button. Now moving to rhythm. The button on the top corner is meant for rhythm. You just have to click it and the rhythms will start playing, and click it again if you want to change the rhythm. The dial on its side is meant for volume. If you want to change the tempo, you have to press the button and move the dial at the same time.